Super.com is one of those apps that tries to do a bit of everything when it comes to saving money and earning extra cash. If you're someone who loves finding deals, getting discounts, and even making a little side income, this app might be a good fit. The idea behind Super.com is simple. It helps you save on things like hotels, flights, and gas, while also offering ways to earn cash through games, surveys, and tasks. It's kind of like a digital wallet that helps you save and make money at the same time. One of the biggest draws of Super.com is the range of savings it offers. If you're someone who books hotels often or travels regularly, you'll appreciate the 30% to 50% discounts on hotels and 5% off flights. It's also got savings on gas up to 30 cents per gallon, prescriptions up to 90% off, and even insurance. If you're already spending money on these things, it's nice to have a tool that helps cut down on those everyday costs. It's not just for travel either. Super.com covers a wide variety of categories, so whether you're buying groceries, clothes, or planning a weekend trip, it's got you covered. The app also lets you earn cash by completing tasks, playing games, or taking surveys. You can earn up to $430 by doing these activities, and many users report that they start making money within minutes of signing up. It's a great way to pick up some extra cash in your spare time. If you enjoy playing mobile games or filling out surveys, this could be a good way to earn a little side income. Of course, how much you earn depends on the tasks and games you pick, but it's an interesting feature for those looking to make some money while they're on the go. Another unique feature is the location rewards. Basically, if you're near a partner store, the app sends you a notification asking you to tap it, view the page, and get paid. It's an easy way to earn a little extra cash while you're out and about, and it doesn't take much time or effort to get involved. Super.com also offers cash advances up to $250 with no credit checks and no hidden fees. This is a helpful option if you're in need of quick cash before your next paycheck. You can use a virtual card to spend the money anywhere MasterCard is accepted. It's easy to use, and the fact that it doesn't impact your credit score is a big plus. However, to qualify for the cash advance, you'll need to meet some eligibility criteria, like having a linked bank account and a history of regular deposits. If you need your funds immediately, you can opt for an instant cash advance, but it does come with a small fee. For those looking to build or improve their credit, Super.com offers a way to earn cash back on purchases made with the Super.com card. You can get up to 10% cash back on hotel bookings and 1% on everyday purchases. While it's not a huge percentage, it's still a solid perk if you're using the card regularly. That said, Super.com does have a few drawbacks. The cash advance feature isn't available to everyone. You have to meet specific requirements like having a history of recurring deposits and everyday purchases to qualify. While it's nice to have access to extra funds, the process can be limiting for some users. Plus, earning money through games and tasks can take time. The idea of making up to $430 sounds great, but the reality is that it might not be as quick or easy as it seems. It's something that builds up gradually, so don't expect to make a fortune right away. Another potential downside is that the app offers so many deals and ways to earn that it can be a little overwhelming at first. There are cashback options, discount codes, and savings across various categories. While it's great to have options, it can take some time to get the hang of how to maximize your rewards. Plus, if you're the type of person who doesn't like to keep track of a bunch of deals, it might feel like a bit too much. Overall, Super.com is a solid app for anyone looking to save on everyday expenses, travel costs, and even earn a little extra cash. It's user-friendly and offers a good mix of savings and earning opportunities, whether you're looking to lower your travel costs, save on gas, or play games to make money. While there are a few limitations to some of the features, like the cash advance eligibility and the gradual pace of earning through games, the app delivers in terms of providing value for your time and money. If you're someone who likes to optimize your spending and earn a little extra cash while you're at it, Super.com is definitely worth checking out.